Hi, I'm JC from Green Trackers. Today I am going to show you our office tour. This is Avenue Crest. This is where our office is located. Okay, so if you want to visit Green Trackers, so make sure you turn in to the very left, see this signboard, make a turn right into the building and into the parking. Done. Okay, so when you're done parking your car at level 1 to 7 is the parking. So you come down using the parking lift and then right to the counter to get your visitor pass. And then straight to the entrance where you touch card and you can access to the office at 1113A Unit 6. 13A Unit 6. Let's go. So press 13A and that's where our office is. So we have two offices, 13A Unit 6, that's the original office. And then we later on extended to 13A 28, which is just opposite the original office. So that is the Unit 28 is our operation team, the room for our entire operation. Unit 6 is our meeting room. Okay, we are now in 13A, floor 13A. So after you exit the lift area, that's the exit door. Make a left turn. Turn to your left, and that's where our office is. Come. Okay, so just now from the lift, you walk and then you will see this signboard 13A6 on your right, and a little bit just opposite here is 13A28. This is our operation room. So inside here, mainly we do our meetings with customer, with suppliers, internal meetings are all here. Want to go in? Okay, welcome to the meeting room, Green Trackers. Very simple office. This is the setup for a very small team meeting. Customers, they want to talk about packages, they just come for a discussion. And then this area is like a coffee area, sitting area for, just hang out over here. And then down out, actually we are still, renovating and doing some work at the old office. We're planning to install some cabinets and stuff for better presentation. So this is the original unit. We only do the flooring when we first started back in 2012. So we just did the tiling only, not much. And then there's the partition room. Partition room is where my boss, she likes gardening. So she keeps like a little greenhouse over here. Still trying to add more plants because right now the room is having the afternoon sun is quite warm inside. So we decided to, that's why we decided to move to the other side of the building, which is the east sun. It's not too warm. So over here is warm, very ideal as a greenhouse. That's where we have all the plants in there. So those, when you are working so stressful, you have a place to unwind and go and water some plants, do some planting, that actually help to release some stress. You want to see the plants? Come. So we are here at the green room, greenhouse. Some very common plants that you see in Malaysia. This is the money plant. It's actually the crawling plant. And then we have at the back here is the indoor orchid, but no flower yet because still. Okay, all the plants here are indoor plants. We don't have too much of direct sunlight. So these are like succulents and they don't need direct sunlight. So you can just water them and put them here. It's fine. And then these are like, okay, over here is the succulent section. So some of these are we bought from the nursery lah. Then I try to like try to spread it out more into different pots so that it can keep growing. Yeah. So over here is the Monstera plant. This one, in order for this kind of plants to grow more, right, you need to give it a bigger pot and more soil. So that's something that we do apart from working just in the office. We always come here and then, water the plants and stuff. So this type of plants grows well indoor, but with some direct or indirect sunlight. And these are not doing quite well because we're trying to like move it, thinking that it might be air plant. So I think Madam wants or the boss wants to like wrap some soil at the bottom here to make it more fresh because it cannot no nutrient. Some plants are actually air plants. You can just hang it on the string, and then it will absorb moisture from the air. Like this is actually long bean. It's not doing well because not enough sunlight or the not suitable environment. We just try and error with different kind of plants. Okay, over here is a display of Mount Kinabalu climbing certificates, all done by Madam Wong. So we still have some more I haven't put up, but I think these are enough to showcase how many times she climbed Mount Kinabalu throughout her career. More than 100 times, definitely lah. So we're trying to dig out more hidden certificates somewhere, see whether we can put her on Malaysia Guinness Book of Records. Okay, working in green trackers is actually quite fun. Our company itself, although small team, doesn't matter because we have the bigger family of MATA, which is our Malaysia Association of Tour and Travel Agent. These are some photos that we took during the Raya Open House, Chinese New Year Open House. So MATA being an association for all the travel agents, very big organization, and they have a lot of activities, visitation to hotels, inspection, FAM tour. FAM stands for familiarization tour. A lot of what do you call social gatherings among the members. So it's very fun. It's never boring working here. So much to explore. Okay, just opposite the meeting room is Unit 13A28. That's where our new office is, where our operation team, admin accounts is all here. So let's have a look. Chang, nice office. Originally, we moved in this condition because the previous tenant stopped their operation. It was a solar company. So they moved out and then the owner wanted to sell. So we just buy as it is. It's very ideal for travel agent environment. Enough seating for staff. Still more people, we are looking for more staff to work. You see there's empty space. Okay, over here we have a small pantry for staff use. Can cook simple meal. And then right here is the admin and account department. Enough for 3 staff inside. So this area is quadrant off for P&C documents we all keep in here. And then lastly, we have the boss room. Madam is here. Let's say hi. Madam Wong, the room, okay, and then the toilet. Yeah. So this is the end of our office tour today. See you next holiday with Green Trackers.